starting from index 1. So from the index 1, if answer I gonna equal to Fizz Buzz if I is divisible by 3 and 5. This means if I is divisible by 15, so it's gonna be Fizz Buzz. So this means at the position from index starting from 1 at index 15, it's gonna be Fizz Buzz. But from at index 1, it's gonna be 1. At index 2, it's gonna be 2. So here, the index is just starting from 1, 2. If the index is 3, so it's going to be Fizz. If the index is 5, it's going to be Buzz. Otherwise, it's going to be just a string of numbers. Yeah. It's going to be just a string of numbers. So we can write it. Just straightforward. This just to check out if we can use Java to write some code. Some basic code. So it's gonna be we're gonna define it's gonna be a list of string, and the result gonna be new. We're gonna define it as array list. Now we just start the index from 1 as according to the definition. It is a 1 indexed. So it's going to be starting from 1, and I going to be less than n plus 1, and I plus plus. So the first case is that if I modular 15 equal to 0, and we just need to add, it's going to be Fizz Buzz. Now let me just copy and paste, and it seems a little bit to solve it. Let me just copy and paste. So if else I modular 5, it's gonna be Buzz. If I modular 3, it's gonna be Fizz. If else, and else, so result gonna add a string, so it's gonna be integer dot, we're gonna turn this integer to string, so we're gonna use the integer dot to string, and the integer is I. So finally we're gonna return the result. Now let me just run it. What is wrong? So if else, let me write it like this. Oh, what is wrong? Oh, I'm sorry, it is else if, not if else. It's else if. Else if. Else. Now it should work. Let me just just to make it shorter. I'm not sure. Let me just run it. So let's just make it shorter, because there's inside the block there's just one line of code, so we can directly write it like that. If there are two lines of code, we're gonna need the brackets. yeah, we're gonna need the curly brackets, but currently we don't need it. Now let me just run it to check if it can pass. Yeah, as you can see, it passed for all testing cases, and the type complexity is O(n). N is just this number, 10 to the power 4. So that's all about it. Thanks for watching.